Hi, I'm so happy to be here. I just finished having my hair transplant. It went smoothly. Everybody was totally professional at MCAN, and I hope you guys choose here because everything went perfect. Let me give you a tour. It went great. Being black, it's hard to find somewhere where you can trust somebody to do your hair transplant. And I'm so happy to come to professionals who are experienced with African-American hair. Come to MCAN. It was perfect. Like everybody have their mask on. Everybody have hand sanitizers. They make you keep your mask on so everybody is safe. So everybody is practicing, being safe during these times. Yes, it's definitely safe. In my experience, everybody was providing me hand sanitizers on the airplane, a little kit with gloves and wipes and stuff. So it was completely safe for me, and I make sure I kept my mask on and my face shield. I would definitely say my experience here in Turkey is one that I appreciate. It was positive experience for me, and I think it's worth a try.